So can you define rational numbers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be the statement for rational numbers? Tell me.
Sir, rational. So the numbers that are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, and q are called rational number.
Can you define, Jagrit?
No, sir, I have not studied rational numbers.
See, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, or 3 by 4, or we can take negative also. Minus 2 by 7, minus 5 by 8. These all are what? Rational numbers, okay? Can we write like this?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
This is not a rational, because this means 1 divided by 0 means 1, any item may be there. If it is 1 in quantity, we have to divide it in 0%. Is it practically possible? Not at all, isn't it? 1 divided by 0 means 1 is to be divided by 0%. It is not practically possible. So that's why this isn't a rational number. So the definition of rational number will be, I am writing here, rational numbers are the numbers that can be represented in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Like if I am writing here 2, is it a rational number, Jagrit?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Why, Jagrit?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am
Is it a
writing the
rational?
definition.
Okay. अभिजीत डेफिनेशन पढ़ो एक बार फिर से, क्या लिखा है?
Rational numbers are the numbers that can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q. Sir, what we say this is equal to sign.
Q is not equal to 0.
Yes, sir. Q is
Opposite of equal to, not equal to. Okay. So is 2 a rational number? Think, match with the statement. देखो, कोई भी नंबर जिसको हम p by q के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं उसको हम रैशनल नंबर बोलते हैं. तो क्या 2 को हम 2 by 1 नहीं लिख सकते?
बोल सकते हैं.
तो फिर कहां समझे तुम स्टेटमेंट से? एनी नंबर दैट कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन द फॉर्म p by q, ये हो गया ना p और ये हो गया q, एंड दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 ऑल्सो. So 2 is a rational number because it can be represented in the form p by q, with q not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और फ्रैक्शन भी पढ़ा ना तुम लोगों ने, फ्रैक्शन.
Yes, sir.
So don't you think that fraction and rational numbers are same? Is there any difference in them?
No, sir.
अभिजीत,
Yes, sir.
कोई डिफरेंस है फ्रैक्शन और रैशनल नंबर में?
Yes, sir.
व्हाट?
सर उसमें इंटीजर्स का साइन आ सकते हैं.
इंटीजर्स के साइन आ सकते हैं मतलब?
Sir, negative sign.
Yes, rational numbers can be negative also. Like if I'm writing minus 2 by 3, this is a rational number, but this is not a fraction. Because in fraction, we have to take only positive integers. Like 1 by 3 or I'm writing 2 by 5. Here, there is no negative sign. Nowhere. Okay. So, हम लोग फ्रैक्शन में क्या लेते हैं, यू कैन से होल नंबर्स, ओके, विथ q नॉट इक्वल टू 0, वेयर p and q आर होल नंबर्स, और यू कैन से पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, ठीक है. So this is a very basic question and is asked many times, and many times you can face in interview or any admission is going on there, you can be asked this, that what this is conceptual, so you have to keep it in mind, okay, permanently. Understood this much?
Yes.
इतना समझ में आ गया ना? Okay. What are rational numbers, numerator and equivalent rational number? Equivalent fraction पढ़ा था ना?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, you have to write equivalent rational number. So there should not be any problem in this. How can we write? Can you write any equivalent rational number of 2 by 3? You have to write its equivalent. Equivalent rational number. How to find out equivalent rational number?
Sir, then in denominator will be multiplied by any number.
Like 2 we are
Then
taking.
the
Anything
numerator,
else?
yes. Then the numerator will also be multiplied by
Good.
2.
So this is
Is
4 by
equal
6.
to 4 upon 6. Then we will cut.
Now,
No, sir.
no, we will not cut here because it will again
Yes,
come
sir,
to 2
yes,
by 3
sir.
only. Now we will multiply by 3, here also 3, so it is 6 by 9. So these are all
Sir, how
equivalent
many
rational numbers.
equivalent fractions we have to make?
Infinite. If you are asked to find out 5 or 4 or 3 equivalent, then you can find like that. If you are asked how many equivalent rational numbers can be found, infinite. There is no end to it. You can multiply by lakhs, numerator and denominator, both of that. You can multiply by crore, you
Yes,
can
sir, I'm
multiply by
writing it.
millions. Okay, so there is
Okay, sir.
no limit, isn't it? So equivalent rational number you have already studied like fraction only. So there is not much in it. Positive and negative rational numbers, no need to explain. That is understood. Rational numbers on a number line. Have we practiced that to show on number line? Minus 2 by 3 on number line. Can you show on number line? Minus 2 by 3.
Yes, sir. By converting it in mixed fraction, then
This can't be converted to mixed fraction because the numerator is smaller. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, then only it can be converted to mixed fraction. Here the numerator is less than the denominator. अभिजीत बताओ कहाँ हम ये कर सकते हैं हम लोकेट माइनस 2 by 3 को नंबर लाइन पे?
Sir, between
Minus
we will
1
go
plus 1, or you can write just 1 here. Okay, now if the numerator is less than the denominator, that means that it is less than 1. This whole quantity is less than 1, and as there is
Sir, we
negative
will make
sign, so
2 lines.
no, okay, 2 lines will be there, and because this is 3, so we have to, but
Yes,
where?
sir. 2.
Between this 0 and minus 1,
Yes,
because
sir.
first of all it is negative, and 2 by 3 means numerator is less than denominator, that means it will be between 0 and minus 1. Now we have to divide the space between 0 and minus 1 into 3 equal parts, so 2 lines are to be drawn. Okay, now we have to take how much? We have to take the numerator, that is 2 out of 3. So we will move left from 0. We always start from 0 only. For negative we move towards left,
Sir.
for
Sir,
positive
2
we move
steps.
towards right. 2 steps. So this is the point that is required, minus 2 by 3. Is it understood? Now if I tell you to locate 4 by 3,
Yes, sir.
here the numerator is greater, so this will be converted to mixed fraction. 3 ones are 3, and then 1 by 3 we have to write. Okay, this is 4 by 3. Now this, if you want to locate, then it will be this 1 by 3 means it is greater than 1 and less than 2. Okay, means greater than 1 and less than 2, means between this. Okay, so first we have to reach to 1 by 3 means first we have to go to 1, and then we have to go to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means first 3 parts will be made in between 1 and 2, and then we will move only once. So this is the point which is required. 1/3 समझ में आ रहा है?
यस
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर, एक डाउट है सर.
हाँ बताओ.
सर अगर डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होगा तो सॉरी
डिनोमिनेटर
न्यूमरेटर
अगर
छोटा.
हाँ
न्यूमरेटर सर अगर
किया ना
न्यूमरेटर
हमने यहाँ पे.
छोटा.
अगर न्यूमरेटर छोटा होगा तो 1 से कम होगा.
ओके सर.
2/3 किया ना हमने. अगर
यस
न्यूमरेटर
सर.
छोटा है मीन्स 0 और 1 के बीच में है, या फिर 0 या -1 के बीच में. अगर नेगेटिव है तो 0 और -1 के बीच में, पॉजिटिव है तो 0 और 1 के बीच में. दैट्स ऑल.
ओके सर.
तो मैं क्वेश्चन दूं कुछ.
यस सर.
17 by suppose 8. Do this one, both of you.
Done, sir.
Okay, let's wait for Abhijit also. You can share the pic on my WhatsApp.
Sir, I send it.
Okay, let me check.
Sir, I am not getting the answer.
Why? How Jagrit has done? First, have you converted it to mixed fraction?
Sir, is my correct?
Yes, that's very good. Abhijit, how to convert it to mixed fraction? Can you do that?
Yes sir, divide that.
Okay, what we will write here for mixed fraction?
Sir, 2 1 upon 8.
2
Let
1 upon
Abhijit
8.
say.
Yes sir, 2 1 upon 8.
कैसे करेंगे बताओ अभिजीत, कैसे आएगा 2/1/8?
Sir, by dividing it.
Okay, tell me, if I am writing here 23/7, what will be it in mixed fraction? Abhijit will only say. Jagrit, you don't tell me. बताओ कैसे करेंगे, मैं यहाँ कर रहा हूँ बोर्ड पे तुम्हारे लिए. बताओ, हाउ कैन वी फाइंड 23/7 in mixed fraction?
Sir, first we divide it.
23/7 like this.
Yes sir.
Okay, then
Sir, then we 7 3 the 21.
then
Sir, then we write it. So then the numerator. Then in the denominator we will write 7 and
हाँ
in numerator 3 and then 2.
अब इसको प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कर सकते हो कन्वर्ट?
Yes sir.
कैसे करते हैं बताओ?
Sir, 7 to that first we multiply 7 with 2 and then 2, then we plus
Then add
3
up.
in it.
So 7 into 2 कितना होगा? 14. 14 plus 3 कितना होगा? 17. 17 by 7. Is it what is required? कितना आना चाहिए?
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ
Sir, it should be 3/2/7.
हाँ यस दैट्स राइट. तो अभिजीत पूछना है ना, इतना डाउट है तो. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए डिवाइड तो तुमने सही किया है, पर सबसे पहले किसको लेना है फिर किसको लेना है ये याद रखना पड़ेगा. ये जो टॉप पर है सबसे पहले आता है, ठीक है, 3.
Yes sir.
एंड देन हमें क्लॉकवाइज घूमना है. क्लॉक कैसे चलता है? इस टाइप चलता है ना, इस ऐसे क्लॉक.
Yes sir.
तो 3 के बाद क्या आ रहा है? 2. और उसके बाद क्या आ रहा है? 7. अब इसको चेक भी करना है ना मेरा आंसर सही आया है कि नहीं. तो प्रैक्टिस करो तब आएगा ना. देखो 7 3 जा 21 होता है, एंड 21 प्लस 7 इंटू 3 करेंगे और प्लस 2 करेंगे डिवाइडेड बाई 7. 21 प्लस 2 इज 23 बाई 7. अब सही है ना. तो ऐसे क्रॉस चेक भी करना है, ठीक है. समझ में आया कैसे करना है कन्वर्ट?
Yes sir.
माइनस सपोज आई एम राइटिंग हियर माइनस 23 बाई 8. इसको करो रिप्रेजेंट उस पे नंबर लाइन पे. First convert it to mixed fraction, then represent on number line, then share the pic on WhatsApp.
Yes sir.
Sir, I cannot understand. Sir, we will make 7 lines then.
At least you can understand to convert it to mixed fraction first.
Mixed fraction.
Can't you convert it to mixed fraction?
Sir, I can. Sir, but I thought we can't because it is negative.
Doesn't matter. Only there will be a minus sign here. Other things will be same.
Sir.
Sir, I have converted into mixed fraction.
What is it?
Sir, minus 2 7 by 8.
Okay. Now what can be done?
Sir,
क्यों डाउट क्यों है इसमें इतना?
Done, sir.
What's the doubt, Jagrit?
No, sir, I don't have any doubt.
अभिजीत कोई डाउट है अब?
yes.
हाँ
Sir, how? Sir, 2 और 3 के बीच में क्यों है?
क्योंकि -2 के बाद 7 by 8 है. तो जब भी हमारा मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में क्यों करते हैं, यही आइडिया लगाते हैं हम लोग. -2 से थोड़ा और चाहिए, यानी हम लेफ्ट में जाना है. -2 के बाद थोड़ा सा और, नहीं तो -3 आ जाता. अगर 1/2 है मतलब 1 के बाद, 2 1/3 है मतलब 2 के बाद, और 1 के बाद क्या आता है? 2 ही आता है ना 1 और 2 के बीच में।
Yes, sir.
तो जब भी मिक्स फ्रैक्शन हम कर रहे हैं उसी समय आइडिया लग जाता है कि किसके बीच में आएगा। -2 एंड 7/8 मीन्स -2 के बाद -3 के बीच में कहीं आएगा। अगर 3 1/4 है मीन्स 3 और 4 के बीच में। तो नॉर्मल नॉलेज में बताया था मैंने अभी भी कैसे करना है सोच के। उसके बाद क्या है 7/8, तो -2 और -3 के बीच में आएगा, दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी फाउंड। नाउ 7/8 मीन्स 8 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके 7 पार्ट्स उसका लेना है। तो पहले हमने 8
Sir,
पार्ट्स
I
में
got the
डिवाइड कर
same
दिया।
answer.
हाँ ओके,
Yes.
so don't be confused with this negative sign Jagrit, both are same, only minus मतलब लेफ्ट में आना है और प्लस मतलब राइट में आना है, that's all, not much difference।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है। नाउ रैशनल नंबर्स इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म का मतलब पता है?
What, sir?
रैशनल नंबर्स इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म means it is nothing but simplest form. Like if I am writing 25/45, can you write it in simplest form?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
both of
sir.
you do it. Tell me what will be it be.
Sir, done.
What is it?
5/9.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So this is called as standard form. Okay. So there is no doubt in this also. We can move further. Now
Yes, sir.
comparison of rational numbers. It is same as in fractions. Comparison of rational numbers. Like if you have to compare 2/3 and 3/4. Can you tell me how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, cross multiplication.
Okay, do it in your notebook. Now what will you do? Which one is greater or less? That we have to show, isn't it? So I also told one more method. What was the other method? To write its
Done, sir.
equivalent rational number by taking the LCM. Like 3 and 4, if they are multiplied, we will get 12 as LCM, isn't it? Now we have to write here 12. So how it came 12? 3 into 4. So in the numerator also it will multiply by 4, that is 8, 8/12, and here what it will be? 9/12. So which one is greater? 9/12 is greater than 8/12, isn't it? Or you can write 2/3 is less than 3/4.
Yes, sir. I
Is
am also getting this answer.
Yes, sir. See, I
okay,
also
is this
got
method
same.
also understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can do by
Sir,
cross multiplication also, and
sir, I always do it with this method only.
okay. Then let us move to some other topic. Rational numbers. Rational number between two rational number. Like we have to find a rational number between 2/3 and 4/5. Can you find out? We have
Yes,
to
sir.
find,
Sir,
suppose
we have to
only one
compare.
rational. Huh? No. You have to find a rational number between 2/3 and 4/5. Or you have to find exact bit in between these two rational numbers. So see what we have to do. We have to just add up both of them and divide it by 2. Okay. This is the procedure to find the rational number exactly in between both the rational numbers.
Excuse
Like
me,
see,
sir.
if you are told to find out a number between 2 and 3, no sorry, 2 and 4, what is it? What number will come in between 2 and 4?
Sir, 6/2.
6/2 मीन्स 3 ना, ऐसी लॉजिक लगा, 2 और 4 के बीच में क्या आएगा? 3 आता है ना, इतना क्यों डाउन ले रहे हो? 2 और 4 के बीच में क्या है? 3 है ना.
Yes, sir.
Now if you are adding 2 and 4 and dividing by 2, what it will be? 6/2, which is equal to 3, है ना?
Yes, sir.
And we know that the number which will come in between is 3. So this is the method.
Sir?
Just add both of them and divide by 2.
Sir, Sir, 2 is mandatory to take in the question.
If you have to find the number exactly in between, then you will get by this method only. Exactly in between, दोनों के बीच में चाहिए, बिल्कुल कोई भी नंबर नहीं चाहिए, बीच में चाहिए, एकदम बीच में चाहिए, exactly जो बीच में आएगा, तब हमें इस मेथड से करना है.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, नहीं तो बहुत मेथड है. और क्या मेथड है? जैसे 10 नंबर चाहिए तो क्या करेंगे, है ना, 2/3 एंड क्या था 4/5, है ना. नाउ फर्स्ट वी कैन टेक LCM, दैट इज 15. So this can be written as 3 5s are 15, so this will be 10, and this will be 5 into 3 is 15, so 12/15. Okay, now what can be done? We want, suppose 10 rational numbers, so we can multiply this by, suppose, 10 here also into 10, and here also we can do 15 into 10, here also 12 into 10, so this will be 100 by 150, and this will be 120 by 150, isn't it? So you can get 19 rational numbers between them, starting from 101 by 50, 102 by 50, 103 by 50, like that. So many you can find out, isn't it? I think we have done such questions in fractions also.
Yes, sir.
So can you try all the questions given in the book?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we will do the next class. And Jagrit, please try to revise all the topics. If you have any doubt, please share it on my WhatsApp, okay? Because you are having test and you have to do it in the most possible way you can, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, best of luck for your test.
Thank you, sir. Sir, is tomorrow
Okay.
class?
If you want, we will have a class.
Okay, sir.
You want the class in the morning
Sir,
hour?
same time?
In the morning you want?
Sir, in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I am having offline classes in the academy.
Okay. Sir, then in the evening?
Evening only, okay. You just have your doubts ready, okay? Bye-bye.
Sir, in the morning also?
Okay, just share me on the message, WhatsApp, whatever is preferable
Okay.
for you. Okay, bye.
Okay, sir.